In this video, I'm going to address whether Whop is legit or Whop is a scam. This is based off of my experience having earned $725 from Whop within the first week and entering multiple of these campaigns, some which my videos were accepted, but others which my videos were rejected. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Bennett Santora. I initially started earning money by juggling online. My account is actually called Fly Juggler, and I happen to be really good at juggling. But I've tested many other ways to make money online, including faceless YouTube channels, which is how I got this. I recently found out about Whop, and I genuinely think this is going to change how social media works forever. But many people are confused about how Whop works, if it's a scam or not, and if their videos are getting rejected, and why people are wondering if Whop is a scam. So I'm going to walk through what Whop is, why people are saying if it's a scam, and then at the end, I'll give my final verdict on whether Whop is actually a legitimate platform that you can earn money from, or whether it's a scam and it's something that you should avoid. So real quick, Whop is a platform which is basically a hub helping people make money online. And one of the most recent things they dropped is their content reward platform. What this does right here is it allows anyone to open a campaign that pays people per 1,000 views that they get with whatever requirements they want. So let's say you're a streamer who wants to get more views by getting your live stream clipped up into short clips that go on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and get views from there. Rather than having to look for individual clippers now, you can just put one campaign on Whop and anyone can create an account and automatically start clipping for you and get paid per 1,000 views that you get. And that's what you're looking at right here. All these different campaigns that pay per 1,000 views. This one will pay $2 per 1,000 views. This one pays $1.50. You get the idea. Now, just to show you guys how I initially earned money from Whop, I entered a campaign by BBNO$, which basically just paid you for using his music in your video. So you can see my submissions right here. Almost all of them were accepted, and that's how I made my first $175 on Whop. I uploaded this video of me juggling. I used BBNO$ song. The video ended up getting 2.3 million views, and I hit the max payout of $175, and nothing went wrong for me. But that's because it was a good campaign, and here's where some of the scammier campaigns can come into play. Another campaign I entered was clipping for this guy called Jordan Bone. Now for this campaign, we put in 33 submissions, and as you can see, most of them were rejected. Now the most important thing to get your clip accepted is to follow all of the requirements that they have here, which we did generally follow. But some of these clips still got rejected despite the fact that we followed the requirements. So what's up with that? Well, a lot of the time with the clips that we made, the mods still didn't feel like this really aligned with Jordan's brand image, so they rejected the clips even though we did technically meet the initial requirements that they had. For example, with this clip, they rejected it because they said it was just one clip with text and random text at the bottom about a Shopify store. Please check the actual course for inspiration. So despite the fact that we put in a bunch of effort actually clipping and we actually got 4,000 views for him on this video, we still weren't paid out anything and the clip was rejected. And this is where people are coming in saying that Whop may not be legitimate or may be a scam, because depending on the campaign you enter, sometimes you pretty much meet their requirements, but they still don't pay you for the views that you get and they end up rejecting your clip. Now, before I give my final verdict on whether Whop is legit or Whop is a scam, what's important to note is that Whop is not itself making the decisions on whether or not your content gets approved. It's actually the managers of each of these campaigns that decide that. So in my opinion, you can actually be smart about this as a user of Whop or as a clipper on Whop by actually reviewing the campaigns before you start making content for them. For example, the first thing you should do when you see a campaign is actually look at the reviews that it's getting. This one, for example, has 196 reviews with 4.83 stars on average, which probably means that this will pay you out for the views that you actually get. But you can do a little bit more due diligence as well by going to the chat and looking at what people are saying. If people are saying, bro, I uploaded my clip, I'm still not getting paid for this, what the hell? And a ton of people are saying that, you gotta look for if the manager of the campaign is responding to these and actually explaining why they were getting rejected. And if the campaign manager isn't active and isn't actually telling people a legitimate reason why their campaigns were taken down, I highly recommend being weary of that campaign and probably not clipping for it unless you can directly contact the moderator, DM them, and ask what's going on with this. And I do think most of the campaigns on Whop are actually pretty fair. And the ones that I've been in, you could talk to the moderators, they'll actually respond to you and they'll make sure that everything is going right. And I've been paid out most of the time. But there are some campaigns to be weary of because, again, the campaign managers can sometimes be unfair. So what's my final verdict? Is Whop a scam or is Whop legitimate? I think Whop is legitimate. There can be some shady campaign managers here and there, and sometimes you might waste a little bit of time making a clip. But if you do your due diligence, you can likely avoid most of that. And even if that happens here and there, just leave a bad review on their campaign, move on to the next one, and you can actually start making really good money from this. And that's not just me chatting, that's actual proof with earnings that I've literally made from Whop myself. This is $725 in earnings right here, and this is literally less than a week. And I know people who are doing a lot more than that. So Whop is legit. Some campaign managers can be unfair, but you can mostly avoid that with doing your own due diligence. That's the final verdict, and my mission with this channel is to really bring transparency to the make money online space. What I hated when I first came into this space is how many people were gatekeeping and not actually sharing how much money they're making and how. how. And on this channel, I'm fully transparent with all the money that I make and how. I actually leave the link to the spreadsheet that I use to track my exact earnings in the description of every video. So if you guys want to see that, you can. And on top of that, since this video was about Whop, if you need help withdrawing your Whop payment, we can help you with that. We know some people have issues connecting their Stripe. So if you just head to the Discord link in the description, you can just submit a ticket, say custom transaction service, and just let us know that you need help withdrawing your Whop payment, and we'll happily help you. We do take a small commission, but that is because of the trust that I've built over 2 years of posting on this channel and being fully transparent with everything. So with that being said, if you support the mission of transparency, please consider subscribing to this channel and leaving a like on this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.